How is NATO currently supporting Ukraine against the Russian invasion? The alliance's response goes far beyond words, involving strategic military aid and groundbreaking political moves that many don't fully understand. NATO countries have supplied Ukraine with a wide range of military equipment, from anti-tank missiles and drones to air defense systems. This support includes not only hardware, but also extensive training for Ukrainian troops. Intelligence sharing has been crucial, enabling Ukraine to anticipate and counter Russian operations more effectively. This coordinated aid has been vital in leveling the battlefield against one of the world's largest militaries. Politically, NATO has shown unprecedented solidarity. The alliance has condemned the invasion repeatedly and imposed harsh economic sanctions on Russia. It also supports Ukraine's bid for closer ties to Europe and security guarantees. NATO's political backing reassures Ukraine that it is not alone, deterring further aggression by sending a clear message of unity and resolve. In response to the conflict, NATO has bolstered its defenses along its eastern flank. This includes deploying additional troops, aircraft, and naval forces in member countries bordering Russia and Ukraine. This heightened alert posture strengthens collective defense and acts as a deterrent against any escalation beyond Ukraine's borders, protecting the alliance's own security. NATO's support for Ukraine is a complex mix of military aid, political unity, and strategic defense enhancements. This multi-layered response aims to help Ukraine survive and resist, while deterring wider conflict. If you want to keep uncovering how global events shape your world, hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.